minutes after 2 o'clock. Good afternoon to my Indian friends from Trinidad. I know you're coming at me. I know you're touched. All my Indian friends from Trinidad wanting to be on the show. The show takes an interesting turn after 3 o'clock. While the mighty Diamonds are still on, I'm getting an email from, let's see, which one do I select right now? Shen 19. Shen 19. Yes, Uncle Barry. Fight as hard as you can. Money can't buy life. Yes, Uncle Barry. Fight as you can. I think what Shen is talking about is, I felt a vibration from yesterday as Grace sent me her last email. Her last, because she died hours after. I went to my computer. I printed, fearing I would lose the transcript. I printed everything. And by the time I finished my show yesterday, she died. The documentation goes to the Indian High Commission to be forwarded to the Indian government, copied to the human rights groups around the world. Grace touching my life was never meant to play around with this. Thank you, Father. I have the right contacts. Make a lasting example, says the mighty Diamonds. Oh my goodness. And I'm thinking what song to play next before the first brainstorm. Did you know that this Indian queen, a peach of a citizen of the planet, did you know that Grace was helping me to see Zion? Did you know that Grace was helping me to see Zion? Look where she's from. She didn't grow up with Baiji. Something on my show touched her. She reached out to me. It has been a beautiful journey. When she left her body at 5 o'clock yesterday, I said, Grace helped me to see Zion. So I play Cargo. If you're deep enough to understand, well, listen to the song.
Girl, I've been longing to touch your